Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly and step by step how to increase the space between words in your Word document. Even as a complete beginner, it is super simple, guys. So let us get right into it now, shall we? So what you want to do is open or launch on your Word document. As you can see, we're in an example Word document like that here. Now I'd like to increase the space between these words. So what you want to do is simply make sure that you're on the Home tab here in the top left corner of your menu. And after that, take a look at that panel here to the right and head over to the Replace feature here. Replace, or use the shortcut Ctrl-H for it. So let's click on it. And what you want to do, guys, is simply replace spaces, single spaces in your documents, which are between your words, with two or more spaces to increase the space between your words. So what you want to do is type in or press the space button on your keyboard here where it says find what, and here in the replace with line, simply press double space or 3 spaces or 4 or how many you would like, depending on how much space you would like to leave between your words. So I'm going to add, let's say, 3 spaces. And after that, simply click on Replace All, wait for Word to apply these changes, and these changes are going to be applied almost instantaneously, as you can see. And now I have much more space between my words. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.